What if a lemon pie became a cookie? We're making lemon crinkle cookies made with a bright homemade lemon curd. This is the dessert you deserve.
We'll start with the lemon curd. Add the sugar and lemon zest together. Then rub them until the sugar looks slightly moist and smells like freshly squeezed lemonade. This little step releases the lemon oils and gives the curd a much stronger lemon flavor. Now, add the egg yolks, 1 whole egg, lemon juice, butter, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together before turning on the heat. This helps the curd cook evenly and keeps the eggs from scrambling. After about 5 minutes, it should thicken and coat the back of a spoon. Do not let it boil. For a smooth and creamy texture, blend the curd or strain it through a sieve. Then, transfer it to a shallow bowl and cover it directly with plastic wrap. Make sure the plastic wrap touches the surface so it doesn't form a skin. Refrigerate until completely cold. Now, let's make the cookie dough. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, add the room temperature butter, sugar, and lemon zest. Beat for about 2 minutes, until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. This adds air to the dough and gives the cookie a lighter texture. Add the egg and mix until combined. Then add the sour cream. The sour cream is the secret to a soft, tender cookie with a little cake-like bite. Now, add the dry ingredients and mix by hand just until the dough comes together. Don't overmix here. As soon as you don't see dry flour anymore, you stop. Transfer the dough onto plastic wrap, lightly dusted with flour. Shape it into a log about 12 inches long, then wrap it tightly. Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. This makes the dough easier to cut, easier to roll, and helps the cookies keep their shape. Once the dough is chilled, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the log into 18 equal pieces and roll each piece into a ball. For the crinkle effect, roll each cookie first in granulated sugar, then generously in powdered sugar. The first layer helps the powdered sugar stay visible after baking. That gives you a better crinkle look. Place the cookies on a baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each one. Use a ½ teaspoon measuring spoon to press a small dent in the center. If the dough cracks, just gently reshape it with your hands. Then, fill each center with cold lemon curd.
If you want to have fun with this recipe, switch the lemon for another citrus. We tried orange and lime and honestly both were delicious. Just replace the zest and juice, make the curd the same way, and choose the flavor you love the most.
Here's the oven trick. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Then, without opening the oven door, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees and bake for another 7 to 8 minutes. That first burst of heat helps set the outside faster, which gives the cookies those beautiful cracks.
These lemon crinkle cookies are so worth it. They are soft, slightly crunchy, filled with a creamy and bright lemon curd and packed with fresh lemon flavor. So this is the dessert you deserve.